Yo, today is February 23rd. Um, I am looking to trade NVDA today after earnings gapped up over previous resistance. I just got home coming back from a pretty hectic day yesterday. But as you see, it gapped over here. So main watch for today is NVIDIA. If NVIDIA doesn't do anything, then I probably won't take a trade because I don't like anything else. I don't like the way anything else is really setting up. So yeah, main watch is NVIDIA. Mm, yeah, not a fan. Much anything else on the day. Um, so yeah, 30 seconds till market open. We're gonna try to play it accordingly. If it come down to this, we're going to enter light around here, 230. If we get a nice bounce, we're gonna go heavier on the trade, and then we're gonna see how we execute. Coming down, some demand here, might bounce here, and then take off. We're gonna mark that level at 235 as well. If we get a break above, then we gonna enter light. Ideally, want to see a bounce at this 230 level though. I had a 240 calls queued up. They only $200. Take a look at SPY. Some resistance here should bounce. I want to see the video pull back a little bit more. So I'm at 232. I want a $2 move down, 230, and then we're gonna take that bounce. I'm about to start scaling now. I'm only in 3 contracts. I wanted to pull back a little bit more, but it don't look like we did. Getting a nice push up. Contracts up 22%, 30%. I didn't get my full entry because we didn't hit that 230, but I think SPY bounced here as well. Look like it is. Look like it did bounce at this pre-market level we had. Don't really want to exit because I'm only in 3 contracts. They up 40%. That's damn near $200. I'm gonna start scaling out. We're gonna join the ask on one. Sell market on one, and then we're gonna hold one and see what it do. So we scaled out 30%. It was a good little bounce. I wanted to see it break. Look like spot pushing down. We're gonna exit that last one there. So contracts was a pretty good fill. I shouldn't really had no reason to exit. Spot was still holding this pre-market um, support level. Um, so we have 147 on 3 contracts. I could have entered a little bit heavier when it was coming down to this 230 level. But I wanted to play it safe. I saw spot selling off a little bit. We got another push down to this level. So right now we're watching above 235. Contract's pretty cheap, so I'll probably just stay close to 240. If we break above this 235 level. That's normally where I get chopped up though, because I make money on the day and then I try to buy high instead of I try to buy high and then sell higher than instead of buying low and selling high. So I'm up 150 on the day already. Market just open. Um, to be honest, we're gonna see how this price action act. Because it looked like Q's and SPY starting to sell off kind of aggressively. But I know as soon as I click off this chart, that shit gonna shoot up. So we're gonna just see how it plays out. We actually gonna set an alert for above this level. But this 230 ad was pretty valid. I mean, there was no reason not to add it there. Should have added heavier. But it's a small one. It's something I felt like I needed coming off my past 2 trading days. We're gonna keep it light today. For real. Let me see. Um, yeah. Let's see what SPY doing. SPY coming down to this demand. I think NVDA is actually really good. I like it a lot. Chilling around at 230 is probably going to shoot up and go crazy today. I feel like I should just dump my whole account and wise right here, right? That's what I should do. We're gonna see how it play out there. Getting that 230 spot starting to sell off a little bit harder. NVIDIA came down to that 230. Look like we bouncing up. Qs look like they breaking, and Q look like they breaking below VWAP. I mean, look like it got a trend. Look like it's holding that trend. Um, I wanted to take 5 right there on that video. I might still do it. It's bouncing off that 230 level. What's Spot doing? Spot bouncing. We should take 5 right here. There's no reason not to take 5, honestly, but I hesitated. Spot coming down, look like it testing that VWAP. Man, we got the nice move up off that 230 bounce. Um, yeah, that shit was actually nasty. That shit we should have answered off that cool little scout for that should probably go stupid today. That was it. That was the bounce, man. That's what you was looking for too. Damn, damn. That would been like 200 right there off that move. We're gonna watch for the break above this though. What was it? 230 to 232, $2 move on a Thursday. It's pretty nice. Well, I don't know what contracts is at. There's probably somewhere down here, 120 something, 130 something. They're gonna say it was at 130. 130. That's $40. 40 times 5. What? I should answer off that. I don't see. That's why I record because there's no reason for me not to answer right there. Just being hesitant. But this was the level you was watching. It came down that level and it reacted at that level. Um, so you just gotta be more disciplined. Trust yourself type shit. Spot bouncing pretty hard. Let's look. I bet it bounce off that demand we had. Yeah, bounce off the demand. That shit spit. So that 230 ad was perfect, honestly. We're gonna watch for the break above 235. It might get iffy. Because I'm not really a fan of playing resistance breaks, but let's see what we got room to. Look like we got a lot of room on it, but where we at right now? We at this 230 low key 250s, bro. I don't know. I might be tweaking though. Am I tweaking? Shit. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how it play out. Contracts at 190, 60 times 5, bro. That's a nice little move, bro. I should have answered heavier than I told you. I should have done my account right here. It would have made me a nice little. Let's look at spot. I mean, watch what it is in video. So that's what we're gonna stick to. Um, Ideally, the goal is to trade less because I take a lot of trades throughout the day. Trying to catch little moves and shit, but the big moves come in the morning off these bounces. We're gonna check, see what contracts. What time was this? 9:35. 9:35. We're gonna see what the low and the high was of those. What the fuck I just do? 9:35. The low was 120. 120 and made a move. That's 60%, bro. Even if you didn't, even if you sold the close, that's still 40%. Watch for the break over 235. See what we can do. See it get busy over there. But I'm probably gonna enter with like 5 contracts. But my problem is I should have added heavier down here, like on these bounces. Boom, five, five. You know what I'm saying? Like, and whatnot. Add heavier at your key level than trying to play a resistance break on it. That's all good though. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what we do, how we set up. If it come down again, probably won't take it because the highest probability was that first initial bounce. hmm Getting a push up. We're gonna see how it play out. Spine bounce off VWAP. That ad was a nasty 120 to that's damn near 100% off that bounce. Hmm. Let's see. We're gonna try to play the break over highs on the video. It might go dumb today. Get a mark. Got 23 million volume. Um, I'm normally not a fan of playing the initial break of it because it would be rejecting like shit, but it looked like spot pushing pretty strong. So we're gonna take it. We're gonna take 240s. Get a nice clean break. Feel. Getting a nice push over pre-market highs. Um, I'm at 5 contracts. We're getting a nice push. It's another 75, 100. We're gonna look at the scale slowly. Might get a retest at that level, but we're gonna try to join the ask on it. I'm selling 3 contracts, 2 contracts. Getting a nice push over that two. Yep. Contracts are at 11, 12%. We're gonna sell one more. I'll push up 14%. I should just hold that book around. I got a nice push off that entry. I'm gonna exit. So for the day, one main focus results are up $250. Um, so yeah, um, done for the day. Um, I'm kind of mad at myself because I didn't enter at my entry level, which was originally this level right here, the bounce, clean bounce, as you see. We had a mark. It was actually amazing. 230. It was no reason not to enter heavy right there. Contracts went from, let's see, with the 240 calls, contracts went from, let's see, swing market. Well, I'm tweaking my bad. Let's see. Contracts at the low of that candle, it was 120. Contracts went from 120 up to 285. That's 136% if I were to enter where I initially planned to enter. So yeah, man, it was nice push on the day. Nice moves, nice moves, nice moves. NVDA might be coming back down to test it. Is it? No, it's still above it. It did actually test um the pre-market resistance came down a little bit right here for people to enter. It'll probably keep pushing throughout the day. I probably should have held one runner, but it's all good. We're done for the day. Um, I'm I feel okay about my execution. Execution. Oh, look at it now. Man, guess we had a good exit, honestly. Is it holding? Should I re-enter for the video? I think I'm good. I'm up 250. We're gonna hold that. Um, but these bounces is what will be making bread for come back down. But you see the 8 EMA right here. Man, it'll probably bounce, keep going, and then ride up. Honestly, it'll probably ride up throughout the day. But yeah, just stay focused. Continue to do that so I can see how I trade, see how I feel when I'm in trade, see how I manage trades, and just continue to talk myself through it. Throughout the days, I be up originally, and then I give back my wins. So after now that I'm done trading the video for the day, I'm gonna close my charts and take my green day. And then of course we had NVIDIA on watch, and that went like I assumed it would. Contracts are now at 335. Um, so just for one more, I should have entered off that retest. Honestly, it was actually a really good retest. It has high volume, so price action was pretty stable. But we're gonna see how contracts went off our initial entry. If we were to enter full position here at this 120, where it came down to touch our level, 122 made a move all the way up to 345, which is 186%. Full position for me is depends on the day, but and how the setups look. But honestly, this was a really good setup, and I liked it a lot. So I probably would have went a little bit heavier in it, probably around like 2,000. So 2,000 would have, if I would have hold it all the way through, it would have gave me 200%. So I would have made about 4,000 on it. So yeah, I'm done for the day. I should have took it, but I was good. Go with my green. You see, it was holding this level. Break it down to the 1 minute. The 1 minute is actually very strong. I don't think I want to trade off it though, but it broke above it, came back down, retested this pre-market resistance, made a nice move up. Where did this move to? 235 to um a $3 move. So yeah, done for the day. Closing charts. Um, NVIDIA probably will run to we got down 250 today, but just get better with my execution, of course. That's the goal. And yeah,